is increased by 40%, and denominator of a fraction is increased by 60%. Okay. Resultant fraction becomes 5/8. Find the original fraction. Okay. Find the original fraction. Right. Try to solve it, ma. So see, this is the fraction a by b. A is called what? Numerator. B is called what? Denominator. Okay. Right. So just give a one try. I will explain. Right, anyone? So chart is enabled now. Try to give answers, ma. Whether it is wrong or right, don't worry. So give your answers. Five by 7. Okay. Whether it is correct or not, I will tell ma after giving some of the persons. Okay. Right. Give a one try. Okay, very good, ma. Right. So 3.5 by 5, 5 by 7, 5 by 7, 5 by 7. Very good, all of you. Right. Right. So when the numerator of a fraction is increased by, that means what, ma? So I don't know the numerator value, I don't know the denominator value, but I have to take only 100. Okay, 100. Right. So here 100% or 100, whatever it may be, you can take. In this, the 40% is increased. Okay, 40% is increased. In 100, what is the 40%? 40, na? So that will become what? 140. Here denominator also 60% is increased. That means what? 60. That means that will become what? 160, right? So numerator value I don't know 140 and denominator value what? 160. Okay, then so x by y. Why x by y? I have to take here the fraction value. I don't know the, so that's why I have to take x by y is equal to what will he was given after increasing 5 by 8. Simple cancellation ma, no need to do heavy calculations. 0 0 will be cancelled, right? So here 7 8. So see, in equal to, the denominators will be cancelled or numerators will be cancelled if the possibility is there. So 8 8 is possibility is there now, 8 8 possible. Then this denominator value after that equal to, it will become what? Numerator value, it will become denominator value. X by y equal to 5 by 7, right? So now understand the problem. Is everything is clear? So numerator is increased by 40% and the denominator is increased by 60%, right? 140 by 160 into x by y equal to 5 by 8. Okay, done. Very good, ma. Right? So next, yeah, tell me, ma.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, numerator increased by 40%, sir.
Yes, on ma.
I took as x plus 0.4, sir.
Increased when the we have to take percentages, na. Okay,
Yes,
percentages is increased. So Telugu na.
yes, sir.
Okay, percentage increase అయింది అంటున్నాడు, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇంక్రీజ్ అంటే ఇనీషియల్ ఎంత తీసుకోవాలి కదా, అంటే నువ్వు ఎట్లా తీసుకోవాలి అప్పుడు 0.4 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ లాగా తీసుకోవాలి, ఎక్స్
Okay,
ప్లస్
sir.
0.4 ఎక్స్ గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా?
Okay. Okay, sir.
సో నువ్వు దీని మీద ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందంటున్నావు కాబట్టి దీన్ని తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట, ఎడిషన్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే,
Okay. Okay, sir.
డన్. రైట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మా మ్యూట్ పెట్టేసేమా. A man spends 60% of his salary is increased by 30%. Then his expenditure also increased by 20%. Expenditure also increased by 20%. Okay, find the increase or decrease percentage of his savings. Okay, now the question is what ma? A man spends 60% of his salary. Okay, right? Comma, his increase is his salary ikkada his అని పెట్టుకోండి. his salary is increased by 30%, then his expenditure also increased by 20%. Then find the increase or decrease in his savings. So very important question ma. So చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు, కాకపోతే కొంచెం very important question. This will be little bit logic is there, so you have to find that logic. Try to answer it Right? Anyone got the answer, ma? Decreased by 2%, wrong, ma? Remaining one, try, ma. Give a try. Think that his salary is 100% and so spent is for 60%. That is increased. I mean, savings how much? 40%, na? No, 18%, wrong, ma, Lokesh. No decrease, no increase, wrong, ma. Right. Change in 45%. Lokesh, increase or decrease? Increase. Very good, ma. Correct, ma? Okay. Done. How to do it, we can see. See, initially, I am getting that salary, I don't know, 100%. Like, take it as 100 rupees, no problem. Whether it is 100%, 100 rupees, no problem. So, in that 60 rupees I am spending, that means 60% I spend. That means how much is savings now? 40 na savings. Right. My salary is increased by how much, ma? My salary is increased by 30% na. That becomes what? 130. Now, here, expenditure also increased by 20%. See, so many of people doing mistake here, ma. What it is? The expenditure increased by 20%. Na? So many people taking that, that is 80 here directly. Why? Here we are mentioning 60% not proper value. Either here also increased is what? 20% not proper value. So no, don't take directly 60 plus 20 ma. Okay, here the general mistake so many people are doing. That is what here 60 on 60, how much percentage increased? 20 percentage is increased. 20% of 60, how much? So 10% is 6 and 20% is what? 12. That means what, ma? 72. See here, the spent is what? 72 and the savings is what? So here 28 and 58, right? So another general mistake, so many people are doing this. So here 40, here 50, directly saying that 80% is increased. That is the wrong answer. That is the wrong answer. I am explained here 60 to 72. How much is increased? 20%. Na? Here 40 to 58. 40 to 58. How much percentage is increased? Okay. Clear all of you? How much percentage is increased? So how much increased first? 18 increased upon 14 into 100, right? So 0, 0 will be cancelled. So here 5, here 2, 2 nines, 9 fives, how much ma? 45% is increased, right? I told na. So what it is? One number to another number, how much percentage increased? When I explained this, A is 100 rupees, B is 110 rupees. That means 10% is increased. And the reverse case, how much percentage is decreased? That means we have to take value by original value, right? Here also, how much is increased? 18 increased, but this is not percentage. He was asking what? How much percentage is increased? Okay, how much percentage is increased? Clear? All of you. My anyone has doubt? Okay, very good, ma. Just a tricky question, ma. This is tricky question. Why? Because here we can take directly 80. Here we can take directly 18. That is the problem. So we have to focus on these two situations for getting the answer properly. Right. Can I go next question? There. Next one. This one also very important, ma. This concept also. A student scores 25% and failed by 30 marks. 30 marks. While another student who scores 60% get 40 marks more. 40 marks more. Okay. Than minimum required marks. Marks to pass. Okay. Find the maximum marks in exam. Marks in exam. Okay. Before this question, you have to done one question I am giving. So first do it, ma. This question. A student scores 25%. Sorry, a student scores 60% to pass exam. Okay. He scores 225 marks. 225 marks and failed by 15%. Find the maximum marks of exam. Okay. So try to first this one, ma. First this one. After that, second one. Okay. Try to answer it and I will explain. Okay. So 200 marks, 200 marks. Okay, very good, ma. Okay, very good, very good. Done. How to solve it, sir? Must see. So this is the pass mark. Okay, pass mark or pass percentage. Okay, pass mark or pass percentage. So if less, that means this is before. If more, that means this is more. Okay, done. So here 60% of marks is pass mark. So and 225 marks gained a candidate but failed by 15%, right? So that means what, ma? 225 marks plus 15%. Okay, 15%. If these two, actually these two not will be added, but general procedure, if these two we can take it, that means equal to what? Pass mark na, that means what? 60% na. Clear, right? So now percentages on one side, values on one side. So plus 15 square here, plus 15% here it comes minus 15. So that means what, ma? 60% minus 15% equal to 225, right? So that means what, ma? So 45%, okay? 45% is how much? 225. So that means, so we can go like this, ma. Either 1% taking after that 100%. Why? Because every exam has 100% mark. We don't know the marks, but we have to take only 100%, right? Here 45% is 225. Then what is that 100%? Right? Clear? So 45%, how many times it will be cancelled, ma? 5 times. 100 into 5. That means what? 500 marks. Maximum marks how much? 500 marks. Is clear? So 225 plus 15% equal to 60%. So the difference between these two percentages is 45%. I got 45% is 225. Then what is the 100%? Okay. Done. Right. So next one. So this is the pass mark, ma. Okay, pass mark. So simply see, general procedure. 25% score and failed by 30 marks. Okay, a person got 25% marks and failed by. If I add 25% plus 30, he will be passed, right? Another student got 60% marks and 40 marks more than the minimum required to pass. That means he was getting that 60%, but the 40 marks is more than the pass mark. If I subtracted the 40 marks, from 60%, what will happen, ma? That will be pass mark. So percentages on one side, values on one side. So 25% it will become minus na. That means what? 35%. So minus 40 it will become plus 40. 40 plus 30 what? 70. So that means 1% is how much, ma? 2. And 100% is how much? 200. These problems are not done by with pen and paper ma. By seeing the question, you have to answer in calculate simply 25, 16, 60 difference, that is 35. So minus 40 will become plus 40, 40 plus 30, 70, 35 into 2, that means 100 into 2, that is 200 marks maximum. Is everything clear ma? Anyone has doubt? Okay ma. Right? So remaining people ma, all of you clear? Second problem ma. Okay. Priyanka Seema. So usually one student got 25% and failed by 30 marks. So if I added these two, what I will pass, right? Another student got 60%, failed by, gained by 40 marks more than the pass mark. If I subtract from 60% from, 40 from 60%, what will do? I will got pass, right? Right. Here, what I have to do? I'm equating that pass marks. So percentage marks, 60 minus 25, how much? 35%. So minus 40, it will become plus that plus 40, 40 plus 30, 70. So 1%, 35 twos now, 1% is 2, then 100% into 2, how much ma? 200. Is clear ma? Okay, done. If they ask the minimum pass mark, okay, done. See ma, in this question, I will explain what is the pass marks. Okay, what is the pass marks as well as what is the pass percentage. So try to answer these two questions. In the same question, pass marks how much as well as pass percentage. So try to these two questions. So answer it. Okay, 80 marks is pass mark. %40. Okay, very good. See ma, how to find pass marks? Okay, see, so 25% na plus 30. So I want to convert these percentage into marks. 1% I know already. What it is? 2 marks. That means 25% is how much mark? 50 marks. So 50 plus 30, how much? 80 marks. Okay. 80 marks is the pass marks. Okay. 80 marks is the pass marks. Next one. I want pass percentage. So 25% plus 30. So what I have to do? these marks will be converted into percentage. So that means 1% is 2. That means here 30 is there. That means how much? 15% now. So if I convert this 15%, so 25% plus 15%, how much? 40% is the what? Pass marks. Is everything clear? Okay, ma? Done. Very good, ma. Right, same question, I can change the values. Try to answer it. 30% marks. 30% marks and failed by 5 marks. Okay. Next, 40% marks and got 10 marks more. Okay, 10 marks more. Right. Find the maximum marks as well as pass percentage. Find the maximum marks as well as pass percentage. Same question, same model. I cannot change anything. Pass percentage also. Okay, try to answer it, ma. Right. So what is the answer, ma? So 150 maximum, 300, 30% pass marks. So different answers will came. Right. Maximum marks is 150 and the pass percentage is 33 1/3 or 33.33 pass mark. Okay. Done. Very good, ma. Let's check it out. So here A student scores 30% and failed by 5 marks. That means what? 30% plus 5 equal to, and 40% marks got more. So that means we have to subtract for pass marks. So percentages on one side. So 10% now 30% is becomes what? 40 minus 30, 10. So minus 10 it will become what happens? Plus 10. 10 plus 5, how much? 15. So 10% is what mark? 50 marks. Then 100%, 10 extra now. That means how much? 150 marks. Okay, 150 marks. Is everything clear? So he was asking what mark? Pass percentage, right? Pass percentage he was asking. So here, so I have to convert this one. You can go through this one also, no problem. Both answers will be same. Okay, both answers will be same. So how to find? Right, 5 marks on 150. Okay, 5 marks on 150. Right, clear? Into 100, into 100. That means 52s, 53s, right? So 10 by 3, nothing but how much ma? 3, 1 by 3%, right? So here 30% already given. I converted that 5 marks into 3, 1 by 3%. That means what? 33, 1 by 3%. So pass percentage is how much? 33, 1 by 3%. If asked pass marks, if he asked pass marks, what is the pass marks? What is the pass marks? Right. So 10% is 15. 30% how much mark? 3 15s are how much? 45 plus 5. How much? 50 marks. Okay. 50 marks. Right. Next model ma. Elections. Okay. In an election, a candidate who gets 84% of total votes and won by 476 votes. 476 votes. Okay. What is the total number of votes polled? What is the total number of votes polled? Simple question ma. Try to answer it ma. Right. In election, 2 candidates and రాసుకోండి ఇక్కడ. So note down 2 candidates. It will be easy for you. Okay, ma? Shall I explain? Okay, Lokesh. Oh, 2975, too much number, Saujanya. Two nine seven five. Why that much of votes is came? Must see the concept here. I don't know the what votes polled. I'm taking that 100%. Okay. Winner got 84%. Okay. Winner got 84%. That means loser got 16%. Okay. Loser got 16%. Right. So these difference percentage is only na 478. Yes or no? Right? Yes, ma'am. So here the difference is what? So 84, 16. What, ma'am? 68%. Okay. So 68% of votes is given what? 476. Then what is the 100%? That is the way of procedure. Okay. In 100% of polled votes, winner got 84%. That means obviously loser got 16%. So the difference between these two is what? 68% now. So 68% is what? 476 votes. Then what is the 100%? Now here try to calculate mentally, not physically. Okay. Here 68 is there. Okay. 68 is there. But so nearly 7 table now. 7 6 are 42 nearly. 8 6 are 48 over. So I try to multiply with 7 multiple now. 7 8s are 56. 5 carry forward. 7 6 are 44. 476 now. That means multiple of what? 7. Here also multiple of what? 7. That means what ma? 700 is the polled votes. Okay. 700 is the polled votes. Ma now clear? Jhansi Rani and Saujanya. And remaining people also ma clear or not? Okay, very good ma. Done. So next one. In an election, two candidates participated. Okay. 20% of votes declared invalid. Okay, invalid. And winner got 70% of valid votes and 1 by 9,600 volts. 9,600 volts. Find the number of voting list as well as valid votes. Okay, valid votes. Okay, ma. Little bit difficulty level increased. Try to answer it, ma. So whatever it may be the wrong answer, no problem. You have to keep on try, right? Okay, Lokesh. Remaining people might try once. Jansi Rani, check once, ma. Okay, Ashwant. Okay, valid votes is 24,000. Very good, ma. Okay, 30 done. Right, check it once more. So I will tell shortcut also for this problem. So first general method, that is what? So 100% of votes. Okay, 100% of votes. 20% was declared invalid. That means 20% votes declared invalid. It's not polled properly. That means remaining what, ma? 80, na? Right. On the 80, these are 80 what? Valid votes. What it is? Valid votes. Okay. On the 80 valid votes. So winner got 70. So here general mistake will be done, ma. So 70 as well as 30. So like that they are doing. Now see, so sorry, 70 and 10. Okay, 70 and 10. They are doing like this. Now see, ma, if I told 90% of valid votes, if I told 90% of valid votes, so whether the question is wrong, no, not at all. Why? Sir, here 80 is there, here 90, how it will come, sir? Ma, he is saying that percentages, ma, okay? Percentages. That means what here? 70% on 80. 70% on 80. Two zeros will be cancelled. 7 8s are 56. And that this winner. So next remaining 30% na. So 3 8s are 24. This is loser. So the difference between these two, ma, the difference between these two, 56 and 24, how much? 32%, right? These 32% is given what? 9600. Okay. These 32% is given what? 9600 votes. Right. 32% of votes is what? 9600. Then what is the 100%? Okay. So 32 into 3 na 96 into 3. After that 2 zeros. Same here. Into 3 2 zeros. That will be what? 30,000 votes polled. Okay. 30,000 votes polled. So polled votes, how much? 30,000. Okay. 30,000. Now I have second question also. What it is? Valid votes. So 30,000, 20% is invalid. Na? 10% means what? 10 will be reduced. 3,000. Another 10% is what? 3,000. Total 6,000 will be reduced. That means what, ma? 24,000 is valid votes. Okay. Valid votes. Okay. 24,000 is valid votes. You can subtract like this. 20% 6,000. So we can subtract what? Right. So after 6,000 will be 24% what? 80% is 24,000. Right. Clear all of you? Anyone has doubt? Okay. Done. So how do we do in shortcut manner? Okay. Shortcut manner. Seema. So I don't know how many valid, votes are there. I don't know X. Okay. Here 20% is invalid. Here 20% is invalid. That means valid votes how much, ma? 80%, na? This is valid votes. Into. So winner got 70%. Winner got 70%. That means obviously loser got 30%. So the winning vote percentage how much, ma? 70 minus 30 what? 40%, na? Right? 40%. This is difference of winner and loser equal to how much he was given? 9600. So I already know that fraction values of 80% what? 4/5. So 40% what? 2/5. Right? Equal to 9600, right? So numerator value can directly cancel. 4 2s are 8. So if anyone not understanding, simply see ma x value here. So this fraction after that equal to, it will become reverse na. That means what? 5 by 4. Here 5 by 2. 4 2s are how much? 8. 8 how many times? 8 1s are 8 2s are, right? So 12 5s are 60. 65s are 300. After that 2 zeros. So how much? 30,000 na, right? It is everything clear? See, I will explain once. X. So he was told that 20% of votes declared invalid. That means 80% valid votes. So no need to write in examination this step also, ma. You have to write only one and only step is this one. From this also no need to write these things. Here also you can calculate directly. So 80%, right? So winner got 70%. That means loser got 30%. Is clear? Difference is how much? 40%. So 40% is equal to what? 9600. Then what is the x value? 30%. Right? So in examination, how do we do? X into, so 20% gone. That means 80%. That means fraction value 4 by 5. So 70% winner got, loser got 30%. Difference is what? 40%. 40% is 2 by 5 equal to 9600. 4 2s are 8. 8 12s are 1200. So 25 tens. But zeros neglect. 25 tens 250. 25 twos. How much? 50. 300. 300 after that 2 zeros. How much? 30,000. So in that valid votes, that means what? 10% 3,000, 20% 6,000. If I subtracted 6,000, that will be what? 24,000. Okay, ma? Right? So up to now, anyone has doubt about these questions, ma? Why? Because I'm saying slowly, these questions are new to you. So you have to understand the concept first, then apply the shortcuts. After that, only that subject will be learned by you, ma. Okay? That's why I'm saying very slowly. Why? Because might be you are not aware of the background of max students. So because of that, I am taking in slow manner. So for the max background, that means what? Little bit calculation idea is there. I will go fast. So maximum, I am saying that very slow and in proper manner. So anyone has doubt up to till now, ask the question. Okay. Right. So anyone has doubt, ma? Right. So try to solve these questions today itself, ma. Why? Because these are, when you learning, easily understand. But when you are applying, after 2-3 days, when giving the gap, that will be, so what is the 80% I have taken? What is the 40%? How I take 40%? These questions will rise in the mind. So try to solve today or tomorrow itself, then you can easily understand, right? So thank you very much being with us. So in next section, these voting concepts will be little bit high level also there. I will explain in proper manner. Then thank you very much. Good night. Have a good day.
Thank you, Rajesh. Okay, students, good night. We'll meet again tomorrow. Okay. Anything you want to discuss? Okay.